Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Frances Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today it's a quick and simple card. It's using the seasonal Wreath embossing folder. So this is a dynamic, the thick one. So what we're going to do is take our embossing folder, take a piece of whisper white cardstock, measure 4 by 5 1/4. We're going to put it there a little bit higher than lower because we want a greeting at the bottom. So let me match this here. Here we go. So now when we pass this in the big shot, here we go, you can see. You don't want no adapter, so it's just a big shot platform, your embossing folder with the cardstock, and then one clear plate at the top. Any of the big embossing folder, that's what you want. And it's better if you start embossing with the edge where it's closed, not the open, going in. So now that I get that done, we're going to remove this. Et voila. And it's one of those deep embossing folder. Absolutely love it. I took my wing of Stella and I just colored the leaf just to give a little bit of shimmer. And when I say color, I really went quick. Just brush a bit of wing of Stella on it and call it good. So then your leaf's going to be all that shimmery leaves. I think it adds quite a little bit. And it don't take much time. Like I said, I'm not paying too much attention. I just add. Now that we get done, I use the Dragonfly Dream stamp set. And I'm using Enjoy Your Day. That way, if I get a wedding card, I think that would go for wedding, birthday card. Anything can be a special day, right? So then I'm going to put that right here. Now, I pre-cut the flowers. I did in Heather, Island Heather, Flirty Flamingo, and Melon Mambo. And the little bow, it's from that framelit also. That's the bouquet bunch. So I use that with that bow. This time we won't use that bow. I'm going to use linen thread. I thought, oh, something summery, it's kind of burlap. So do 5 loops around your finger. I think I got about 5 there. I said about, right? We're going to squeeze that. It's what I call, oh, it should be one more. So one end will go on one way and the other. So you want to finish one tail there and one tail at the bottom. That it's called a belly bow, that I call it. And I cut another piece, so I just squeeze that, and then we're going to tie this up. Let me remove this here. So I'm just going to tie a knot. So really, it's no bow, it's just wrapping around your fingers, and then tie it up in the center here. Here we go. Going to squeeze. Don't pay too much attention if it's equally or not, because we can fix that. Here we go. That looked pretty good. You're going to take your tails and bring that down, and then spread your loop. See, now we get a fluffy bow. Now we're going to take this. We're going to use a piece of whisper white cardstock that measures 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. We're going to fold that in the center. And I'm going to mount this at the top so it's white on white. I thought it looked clean. It looked very elegant. Now one thing, you want to give a little, oops, make sure it's straight down. You want to give a little bit of time for the wing of Stella to dry, because if not, it won't get through. So you can color your flower, like I did color my flower on this one. I mean color wing of Stella. And really, let me grab a piece of paper here. What I done again is just see very quickly, add that shimmer. I bet in the camera or the video, whatever we call it here. We don't see a lot of the effect on that, but when you get that in real life, you're going to see all the sparkle there. Now when that is done, we're going to glue that. I'm using Tombow glue, and I put that in my fine tip glue. I get a video on that. When my fine tip glue was empty, I like Tombow. Tombow, it's much stronger. Fine tip glue, it's good for many different techniques, but for this, when it comes to gluing, I like Tombow much better. That's the multi-purpose glue. Just put it in the back. And if you don't wait enough for the wing of Stella to dry, well, this is going to come right out. So just make sure that you give enough time to dry. Right now, I don't even know if I give enough time, but with the camera, I don't want to make you guys wait. So if it's not sticking, I'm going to come back and add more glue. So I just alternate that. So this one, now that we get our bow, we're going to use glue dots. And I said glue dots because we're going to have more than one. So take your tail. That sounds funny, but the bottom there. And now we hold it in the bottom. We're going to put a glue dot there. That's going to keep that down. And then come back and do another one. And this one, I'm going to put my bow. No, it's going to go at the top. I thought to put it sideways, but I don't like the way it is. And now you can spread your bow. You can have bigger ones, shorter ones. See, now you can short some, pull some. Here we go. And we're gonna fix our little tail that they're equally. Okay, one thing that I want to share with you, when you put a glue dot there, and let's say the thing is smaller, what you can do, let me grab it, it's take your embossing buddy and tap it where your glue is, and it's going to stop the stickiness. How cool is that? This is it. See, I like this bow much better than this. Et voila, my friend. This is it for a seasonal, quick, simple seasonal wreath. Hope you enjoyed that. All the supplies going to be listed on my blog. Below in the description, you get the direct link, or above in the eye. And all in the US can shop 24/7. Thank you for your support and have a great day. Bye-bye for now.